Hey, fellow survivors and green thumbs. Today, I'm diving into something that might just be vital in a post-apocalyptic world: rebuilding your garden fast. Whether it's a zombie apocalypse or just a societal hiccup, knowing how to jumpstart your food supply is crucial, so let's get our hands dirty. First things first, let's talk strategic plant selection. In a world where grocery stores are just a memory, you want plants that do more than look pretty. Think high yield, fast-growing, and nutrient-rich. Potatoes, beans, and kale are my top picks. They're hardy, they don't demand much, and they pack a nutritional punch. Now, on to soil preparation. After any major upheaval, the soil might be depleted or contaminated. If you can, get a soil test kit. They're worth their weight in gold. But if that's not an option, focus on composting. Composting isn't just about getting rid of waste. It's about turning that waste into black gold for your garden. Kitchen scraps, leaves, even paper. All of it can go back into the earth to help rejuvenate your soil. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. Alright, let's talk about resourceful gardening methods. Water might be scarce, so let's think about rainwater harvesting systems. A simple setup with a barrel can collect rain from your roof, giving your plants a lifeline during dry spells. Also, consider companion planting. This isn't just old wives' tales. Planting certain crops together, like tomatoes and basil, can help deter pests and enhance growth, reducing the need for chemical interventions. And here's a quick tip for immediate food supply: sprouting. Seeds like alfalfa, mung beans, or even lentils can be sprouted in jars within days, providing you with fresh, nutritious greens without even needing a garden. It's a quick win in any survival scenario. Most importantly, keep experimenting and adapting. What works today might not work tomorrow, and in a post-apocalyptic world, adaptability is your best survival tool. Alright, that wraps up our quick rebuild tutorial for post-apocalyptic gardening. Remember, it's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Rebuild, regrow, and reclaim the earth. Who knows, your garden might just be the start of a new green world. Until next time, keep planting and stay resilient.